Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best clean drop cleaning aid, the PhysiciansCare Eye Wash Solution. If you ever need a reliable way to flush and irrigate your eyes safely and effectively, this might just be the solution you're looking for. The PhysiciansCare Eye Wash Solution comes in a convenient 4-ounce bottle filled with a sterile isotonic buffered solution designed specifically for emergency eye irrigation. Whether you've gotten dust, pollen, or even harmful chemicals in your eyes, this product offers instant relief by flushing out those irritants quickly and gently. One of the standout features is its single-use, squeezable bottle that makes it easy to direct a steady stream of the solution right where you need it. The nozzle is designed to help you focus the flow precisely onto the affected areas without any hassle or mess. This means you can handle minor eye irritations right at home, on the job, or even outdoors, making it an essential item for your first aid kit. The solution itself is isotonic and buffered, meaning it matches the natural chemistry of your eyes. This is important because it prevents further irritation and helps maintain the natural balance of your eye's surface while rinsing away contaminants. The sterile nature of the solution ensures that you're not introducing any bacteria or harmful substances during the rinsing process. PhysiciansCare Eye Wash Solution is made by Pack Kit, a trusted manufacturer known for quality first aid products. It's lightweight and compact, measuring just about 2 by 5 inches and weighing around 5 ounces, so you can easily store it in a bag, glove compartment, or emergency kit. Plus, its tamper-evident seal assures you that the solution is fresh and untouched until you need it. While this bottle is designed for single use, PhysiciansCare also offers various sizes ranging from 1 ounce up to 32 ounces to suit different needs. Whether you want something portable for quick relief or a larger bottle to refill an eye wash station, there's an option available. Keep in mind this product is ideal for quickly clearing out foreign materials like dust, pollen, or splashes of non-caustic chemicals. However, in the case of severe eye injuries or exposure to corrosive substances, professional medical treatment should be sought immediately. To sum it up, the PhysiciansCare Eye Wash Solution combines functionality, ease of use, and medical-grade quality to provide you with an effective way to protect your eyes in emergencies. Its design and formulation work together to ensure gentle but thorough rinsing, making it a must-have for anyone concerned about eye safety. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want to stay prepared for any unexpected eye irritations, this solution is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.